In every football game, players take the field with their names appearing prominently on the back of their shirts. In every game but one. Introducing the Wrong Shirt campaign. May 2014. The most crucial game in the Israel Premier Football League. Tens of thousands of spectators in the crowd, with hundreds of thousands of viewers at home. The tension is on, the stadium is full, and then something extraordinary happens. Maccabi Tel Aviv and Hapoel Be'er-Sheva's players enter the field, but no one recognizes the names on their uniforms. Even Israel's most renowned football commentator doesn't understand what is happening as the broadcast begins.
רגע, משהו מאוד מוזר מתרחש פה. למעשה אני לא זוכר שראיתי דבר כזה קורה, דני.
After several moments of confusion, the stadium announcer explains that the names appearing on the players' shirts are actually the real names of children suffering from incurable diseases. A non-profit organization called Hagshamat Chalom had a mission to help those children fulfill a special dream, to attend the World Cup games in Brazil. Once the mystery is solved, captions of donations begin to show on the TV screen, with the organization's phone number and website calling viewers to action and providing the opportunity to donate towards these children's cause. The result: 20 sick children flew to the World Cup in Brazil, where they sat in the audience and watched the world's best national football teams compete in the crucial matches of the World Cup. They fulfilled the dream of a lifetime. It turns out that the wrong shirt was actually the right shirt.